Welcome to another home tour in Lake Las Vegas. Today we're going to be checking out the Trace floor plan from one of Las Vegas' premier custom home builders, Blue Heron Homes. These are going to be located in the Valeris on the island community of Lake Las Vegas. Going to be surrounded by mountains, of course views of the lake, a couple of nearby golf courses. There are 5 available floor plans in this community. This particular model is the Trace. It has 4,688 square feet, can be 3 to 5 bedrooms, 4 to 6 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Blue Heron has an expansive design center with the ability to personalize the home for your style, from adding casitas to wet bars, custom closets, optional sky decks above the roof to enjoy the views. They are really into customizing the home to fit your style. Blue Herons are also thoughtfully designed to combine indoor and outdoor living with expansive open concept floor plans, plenty of windows, large sliding glass doors, so you can enjoy the Las Vegas sunshine year round. You can see in this model they did go a little above and beyond on the upgrades, just like most builders do. Game room could obviously be another bedroom downstairs, but it is quite nice as a game room with a large wet bar. Blue Heron also does custom homes completely from scratch. They have architects and designers to help you find everything you need. They also work with pool builders to get your pool built at the same time as your home, so you don't have the inconvenience of having the pool company come after you close like many of the builders will ask you to do. The primary bedroom in this model is downstairs. Of course, making it easy to go outside with another large, expansive sliding glass door. The glass bathroom setup isn't for everybody, but it is stunning. And of course, floating tub, massive walk-in shower, their closet options with Blue Heron are amazing. Of course, don't forget, with any builder, even Blue Heron, you're going to want to have your agent with you on your first visit to the models. The builders may not let you have your own representation if you are not bringing your agent with you. We'd be happy to show you these or any other properties in Las Vegas. Not everyone would upgrade the secondary bedrooms as much as the model homes do. The deck off the second floor is fantastic when you have the view of the lake right behind you. And Lake Las Vegas itself does have plenty of amenities as far as shopping and restaurants. You're not too far away from getting towards downtown Henderson. market for a new home in Las Vegas? Give us a call, 702-480-9137. These are not the right homes for you. We will help find it for you. You can also go to our website, lv